Hi everyone. So today we'll be solving the question from Striver SD sheet, that is power of x comma n or power of x square n, x to the power n. I'm sorry. So let's read the question. Implement power of x comma n which calculates x raised to the power of n, that is x raised to the power n, x square n. So this is a simple maths question. So I don't know if I would be able to explain it here or not, but very basic thing. Okay, but the catch point is only two basic catch point. You have to take care of the constant. That is why we will be taking long. No, we are not gonna do anything. Stupid which can give TLE. Better to take long. And the second catch point, this always in function thing. If you have studied, it can be the power can be negative as well as positive, right? If the if the power is negative, okay, suppose x to the power something 2 to the power minus 1. So what does it mean? It's like 1, sorry, so it's let's just do like that, 2 to the power minus 2. So this basically means 1 divided by 2 to the power 2, the positive thing. This is how the positive thing works. So in interview, you have to ask to the interviewer, like, is there any cases where the power can also be negative? If he says yes, let's do the question step by step. First, in the interview, we have to ask whether the powers are given to the positive. Does the power also consist of negative powers or not? If it consists of negative powers, then what we will do? We will just of course we are going to do multiplication here, so we have to take answer as 1, right? We cannot take 0. Anything multiplied with 0 is always 0. Therefore answer is equals to 1. And long we are not going to take any risk, therefore long n is equals to n. And if the power is less than 0, that is the power is in negative, this is the power n, which is equals to, I have converted the n into n in long. Therefore nn is the new power here. If the power is less than 0, then of course I'll make it as, I'll just make it as nn is equals to minus 1 into nn, because it's in negative. That is why I am making it positive. Minus into minus. Suppose nn is negative here, right? Nn is negative since it's less than 0, right? Therefore, minus 1 into some, because nn is also negative. So, suppose nn is minus 8, therefore it will become positive. And at the end, what I just showed you here, we initially divided by 1, right? Therefore 1 divided by the answer can be anything, the final answer, right? That is the power thing. So for the negative thing, you have to do this part also. If n is less than 0, if it's in negative, then answer is equals to 1 by the final answer. And now we will understand what this while loop is doing. So the power sometimes can be even or odd. Here the power is even, and here the power is odd. So it's a complete mathematical question. If the power is even, so if the power is even now, then we actually divide, like we multiply this x, that is 2 into 2 becomes 4. So what actually happens here is that for the even thing, what happened is, like, this is the 2 and the power is 10. So what we do, see, we are checking if the power is odd or even. If it's odd, then if condition is gonna work. If it is not odd, if it is even, then x is equals to x into x into x. So we do actually 2 is equals to, we actually do like this. This is a mathematical thing, okay? Mathematical derivations. And the power we actually divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 will become 5. And again, this will be 4, right? So we will do 4 into 4, which is equals to 16, right? And then 5 divided by 2, again something will be coming. Like that way the even thing works. And for the odd thing, what we will do, this is how we find out the power for even power. And for the off, to find the the calculate this power of the odd, then we actually do answer is equals to answering to x, and the power is always converted into -1. The power is always reduced to 1 in every step. So that it's a completely mathematical derivations, if you have studied in that, we have already studied in class 7 8, I guess so, as much I can remember. So this is a complete solution for this, and of course the time complexity here is what, one, only one while loop here. So we go of n, the space complexity is constant. We have not taken any extra space here, right? So that is how this is solution is. And yeah, keep it coding. Bye.